Hi everyone! In this video, I'll review Dovely Credit Repair and help you decide if it's worth using or if you should leave it. Let's dive in. Dovely is an online credit repair service that claims to help you improve your credit score by disputing negative items on your credit report. They use an automated process that works behind the scenes to help you improve your credit over time. One of the main pros of Dovely is its affordability. The service is subscription-based, which means you can get ongoing credit repair without committing to a large upfront fee. Plus, it's completely automated, so you don't have to spend time managing disputes manually. On the con side, Dovely's automated process might not be as personalised as other credit repair services, and it may not be as effective for people with more complex credit issues. So is Dovely Credit Repair worth it? If you're looking for an affordable and hands-off solution for credit repair, it can be a great option. But if you need more personalised help, you might want to consider a more traditional service. And that's it. I hope this Dovely Credit Repair review helped you to make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.